guys, today we are at the beach having some fun. So now it's lunchtime and we're gonna prepare a Vietnamese sandwich which is called Banh Mi.
I'm Yuriel, this is Yannick. Welcome back on our channel. All you need to make a banh mi is pickled carrots, shredded chicken, some spring onions, coriander, pate, and here it's light soy sauce and cucumber. And of course, the famous mayonnaise of Yannick.
Yep.
So that's a recipe from his mom. So you just need 1 egg, garlic, oil. That's it. Let's get started.
So we'll start by grating the garlic. So we just need the egg yolk to make the mayonnaise. So now we start mixing both together and we're gonna add some oil in it. So now our mayonnaise is ready, and so home-based mayonnaise is the best one.
So I'm gonna prepare the veggies for the sandwich. Let's chop the chili. We love chili. Yoo-hoo! Okay, let's get the bread. I'm so hungry. Hey, you shush. Okay, let's get started by putting some mayonnaise in the bread. Pate. So pate, you can get it everywhere in the shop. Chicken. Oops. Right. Some cucumber. Oh, chili. The sauce in it. A little bit of sauce to taste. Famous banh mi, the Vietnamese sandwich.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Nice.
Hope you guys like the video. It's a very easy recipe, great for picnic. Try it and let us know below in the comment how it was. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on our next video.